In the next 30 years, the world's farmers will need to double food production in order to feed a growing population. Smallholder farmers, such as those growing wheat and soy in the state of Madhya Pradesh in India, are trying to produce more food while minimizing their environmental footprint. These efforts mean higher incomes and better access to nutritious food for farming families.
मुझे अपने परिवार का पेट भरने के लिए सुबह शाम कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, मगर इसके बावजूद भी फसल बेचने जाता हूँ, उससे पर्याप्त पैसे नहीं मिल पाते हैं।
Kellogg Company is committed to helping farmers increase their economic and environmental resilience. That's why Kellogg has teamed up with TechnoServe, an international non-profit that specializes in business solutions to poverty. Together, the partners are helping smallholder farmers in India boost their yields and incomes by using climate-smart agricultural practices.
अब मैंने उन्नत खेती करना शुरू कर दी है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि पिछले वर्ष की तुलना में इस वर्ष अधिक उपज होगी और मैं अपने परिवार को स्वस्थ भोजन दे पाऊंगा और सुविधाएं दे पाऊंगा।
We are providing hands-on training to farmers on sustainable agriculture practices such as preparing organic compost to give our crops balanced nutrients and invest in healthy soils. The program also helps to find ways to discourage pests using botanical extracts as repellents and growing fruit trees and other crops to feed our community.
हमारे पास 1 एकड़ जमीन, उसमें 10 कुंटल गेहूँ निकलता था। जब से हमने उन्नत खेती चालू करी है, 15 कुंटल गेहूँ निकलने लगा। हमारी आमदनी 8,000 रुपये बढ़ गई।
By 2025, Kellogg plans to support 500,000 farmers in regions from which the company sources ingredients, including farmers who are not directly in its supply chain. In Madhya Pradesh alone, Kellogg and TechnoServe are working to improve the livelihoods of more than 12,000 smallholder farmers, 35% of whom are women. By using environmentally sustainable practices, these farmers are creating a better future for their families and the planet.